Hello everyone, welcome back to Explore IT Issue Solution for All. Is your Windows 11 PC running slower than it used to? Are applications taking too long to open? Is your computer freezing, lagging, and taking forever to start? Then you are in the right place. In today's video, I am going to show you 7 practical things you can do to troubleshoot and improve a slow Windows 11 PCs. We won't use any third-party PC cleaner or questionable optimization software. We will mainly use Windows on built-in tool. Okay, and make sure you watch until the end because the last method can help you identify whether a third-party service or startup application is causing the problem. So let's get started. So step first, check what is the making your PC slow. Okay, so you just press it Control Shift Escape when in the keyboard. Control Shift Escape. This open Task Manager. The first thing we need to do is find the actual cause of the slowness instead of simply guessing. So let's open Task Manager here like this and check the CPU utilization. CPU utilization is 30, 40, 23% and memory utilization is 40% constantly, and disk is 7, is fluctuating 7 to 6%, network 0, and GPU is 31%. So here we can see how much of the system resources each application using. For example, if the memory is consistently around 90 or 95% and like this, our disk usage is not more than 5 to 10%. So we need to investigate which process is causing the high disk activity, and if CPU uses remain very high, check which application or process is consuming the CPU. So don't randomly end window process just because they are using resources. First identify what process is and whether it is safe to close. Okay, I hope you understood. And the second step is disable the unnecessary startup application. So the second step is to check which application automatically start when you turn on your computer. So you just go to many startup application can increase startup times and consuming the resources in the background. So go to the startup application and check which application is getting enable or not. Just like here is eppccmon.exe. I don't know which kind of application, but its startup impact is low, so there is no issue. So startup, suppose that you can see this skin.exe, so its startup impact is high, so you need to disable this type of application to running in the background when your system is started. So disabling the startup application does not uninstall the application. It simply prevents the applications from the automatically launching when Windows start. You can still open the application normally whenever you need it. So don't disable window component, antivirus softwares, hardware drivers, and anything you don't recognize without first checking what it does. And the step 3 is free up the space on C drive. So the third party step is to check your C drive. If your system drive is running very low on free space, Windows may not be enough room for temporary file updates and normal system operations. So Windows storage temporary file, update file, thumbnail, and other temporary data. We can review these files and remove items that are no longer needed. So for going to the setting and click on system, then go to the storage. Here you can see the multiple temporary files and install application like this. So be carefully, you can download the folder. If you select it, make sure there are no important personal file that you still need it. So you just uncheck the download folder and clean up files like this. Okay, so here you can select the multiple things like temporary file and delete and clean up. And the fourth step is enable storage sense. So like this, storage senses go to the same things, systems and storage. After that you go to the storage sense like this. So you need to keep this enable. Okay, so you can also configure the storage sense to run automatically. This particular useful is if your C drive frequently run low storage, so it's automatically recognize and delete the temporary file or some things. Okay, then the step 5 is check the Windows update. So for checking the window again, update again, you go to the setting and go to the window update here, and you can check there is any update is available to update or not. So the performance problem can sometimes be related to the window bugs, compatibility issues or outdated system components. So let's make sure window is up to date. So if an update available, then depend on the update, window may require a restart. Okay, so before restarting your computer, make sure you save your work and close your applications. Okay, I hope you understood. Then the step 6 is repair problematic applications. For checking this type of information, you just go to the setting and applications here and check the install applications. So now let's say window it itself is working normally, but one particular application is slow, causing crashing and not responding correctly. Windows 11 provides a repair option to supported application like this 7-zip. I'm go to the not there is no modify. Okay, not this. Like I'll just show you here something other application maybe provide option modify or something. See this is a Intel application graphics. So just go to the advanced option and here you can go to the repair or uninstall. Okay, so the start with repair, this can help fix problem with the application without immediately resetting its data. So if repair doesn't help, then some application also provide a reset option. You see here reset option. So but be careful with reset because it may remove the application's data setting on signing information. Okay, and the step 7, use clean boot to find software conflict. So now we can come to our more advanced troubleshooting step. If your PC is still slow and you suspect that at the third party application or services is starting with the Windows and causing the problem, we can use the clean boot. Okay, for using the clean boot, you just go to the window and press R. So you can see the run here and you can type msconfig on the same. So once you got one pop-up. This is an important step. Make sure you select the hide all Microsoft services before disabling service. We don't want to randomly disable essential Microsoft service. Suppose that if you hide, so only which service you can start, like Google Update service. These type of service you can uninstall or disable. By default, application related to Microsoft is not disabling because you hide the Microsoft services in this option. So, and after this changes, you need to restart your PC. Okay, so after restarting your window, will start the minimal set of third-party services and start application. If your computer become a noticeably faster, this gives us a clue that a third-party service or startup application may contributing the problem. Okay, so important things is that clean boot is a troubleshooting method, not a something you should leave configured permanently. Once you have identified the problem, restore your services normal configuration. So as I told you, I will provide you the one bonus command. So the bonus is tip is restart your PC. So and there is a one simple but important tip. If your computer has been running for a very long time, try a proper restart. So go to the start button and go to the power and restart properly your system. Restarting can reload window components and application and can sometimes resolve temporary performance problems. I hope you understand. So can we recall what we have done in this video today? Okay. So then reduce the unnecessary startup application, clean up storage, check storage sense, update the window, repair the problematic application, and finally use clean boot to troubleshoot possible third-party software conflict. Remember that is not one simple fix that works for every computer. So the key is to identify to actual first and then apply the appropriate solution. I hope you understand what I am saying. So friends, if your Windows 11 PC has been running slowly, I hope these 7 steps help you to identify and troubleshooting the problem. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Explore IT Issues Solution for All for more window tutorial, networking guides and IT troubleshooting and particular practical technology solutions. And let me know if in the comments what problem are you experiencing on your system. In the slow startup, high RAM memory uses, 100% disk uses, freezing or slow internet. Tell me in the comments and your problem could become the topic of my next video. Thank you so much for watching our video. I will see you in the next video. Stay connecting with the Explore IT Issue Solution Board. So till then, thank you so much.